I just dropped both of those chargers. Everything just fell off my station. That's, I guess, what I get for anyway.
Hell yeah.
Yo, bring it down. Zoom out. Yo, Cuss by Reggie, right? Back with another video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? Today we have an unboxing from Babyliss. Now, as we getting closer to CT Barber Expo of this year, last year, as we all can remember, if we remember, Babyliss had a big reveal of something that they was bringing out, and that was the SnapFX, which, as we're getting closer, it doesn't seem like too many people or too many companies are really advertising anything big. Maybe they wait until the last minute, but as of now, I don't see anything that's waiting to be released at CT. But with all that being said, last year they released the SnapFX, right? But it was the silver ones, right? This year they have the gold. Now, these are not available on the site at the moment of me recording this video. The gold SnapFX are not on the site. When will they be on there? I'm not for sure. And as far as price, I don't know if they're gonna charge more based off them being gold, but usually some companies do. But going off the original colorway of the chrome or the gunmetal, the clippers were $249 and the trimmers were, I think, $199, or at this moment $199. But today we're just gonna kind of look at the gold colorway of these. I have been using these for a little bit, and for those that's looking to see if they cut better or cut differently, if you are an FX fan, you will like them. I'm not too keen on the clippers, and this kind of add an extension to it. It makes them a little longer. Not my cup of tea, but as far as the trimmers can be set and still work just perfectly. All right, so here's everything on the clipper. We got the LED indicator on the battery. We got the of course, the click lever, all metal housing with the hanging hook. It got the snap on. Where's my clipper? This here to kind of help clean on the inside of that. This is, it says patent pending. So this is one of their things. The clipper has 6,800 RPM, dual battery charging stand. And what that means is this here. If you ever used the SnapFX, you know it got the two batteries. Now, on mine, even when I was using the other one, I would just have one charging stand because these are bulky. I would just have one charging stand. I would have the clipper battery and a trimmer battery. And then I would just have one of the other batteries in the other machine. As far as the other dock holding the both batteries, I know it didn't at this one, but we'll look at this one to see if this charging stand is any different, and it can hold the clipper battery and trimmer battery, right? And as far as the LED indicator, that's when you're charging it. This will show up, this will light up on there, and it's pretty much cocking a gun, all right? And then of course you see the LED ring. As far as build, same thing, of course, except for that part right there. Let you see in there a little bit. And you don't want to cut with this off. You're gonna get too much hair in there, you're gonna cause problems, right? It does come with their fade blade, right? Taper blade. But anyway, come with their blade, click lever, gold housing, just like the other clippers. I do not have a clipper in here. I do have a trimmer. I do not have an original FX clipper, but I thought I did. But either way, that is the build. And as far as what comes in the box, of course you got the charging stand. And I think each battery is 90 minutes of runtime or 2 hours of runtime. So, and like I said, the same thing I said when I reviewed this at first of the gunmetal. If you are an FX fan, you probably already have two FX clippers and trimmers. And this is the other battery for the clipper. Again, like I said, you can have one in a charging stand and have one ready to go. So it's not unlimited battery, but it is unlimited battery. You get what I'm saying? Like if you have a charger, if you have two FX clippers and you have one on a charger, you can still get the same effect. This is more of a look to me. You know what I'm saying? With the gold, you do get their premium guards. You get the screwdriver, the clipper guard, clipper protector, oil, and a little brush. And that's what you get in here in the clipper container, which I do like these. Sometimes these are so hard to get like back in there the way, like they come with wood up under there to kind of keep it steady, but it's even harder once you got the wood on there, pause, and I don't like it, right? So, but that's what you get in the clipper. And again, with the trimmer, same build. I still got some hair on there. Nothing happened, but you get the same build. It does come with the Gold FX blade on there. Of course, the Gold FX is my favorite, followed by their Chameleon blade. So if you got that set, you're good. And again, comes with their patent pending clip on, clip off, boom, charger. This is mine that's been beat up over the years. And as you can see, the battery pack does add a little length to it, nothing crazy. It doesn't add too much weight to it, which is interesting, but it does make it a little bit longer. You can see the difference. That's an old one. We don't want to go with that sound. We don't want to go with that one. And so this is not the original SnapFX, but this is the color of the original SnapFX. And in this pack, of course, you get the two batteries. So while I got one going, I got one in a charger stand getting charged up. But when you got the clippers in there, you can see this Babyliss lights up as well. Unplug it, no lights. Plug it back up. You get the Babyliss LED light here, which I like. And then you can get and of course, this is a clipper battery, and this is the trimmer. I just like to use one stand because it can charge both. And when it gets too deep, I can get this, see what I mean? It's hard to get about that thing. This one has not even been opened, and that's I was saying wood. It's cardboard. I was saying wood comes under there. It's cardboard. Why would I say wood? Pause. Anyway, you get the charging stand, and like I was saying, this is for the trimmer. That can fit in there, but as far as the clipper battery cannot fit in there, but you can use the clipper charger stand for both. All right. You do get the blade protector. Everything's falling out. Screwdriver, and then their zero gapping tool, which I have never used, but it's there if you want to use it. Right. So again, I don't know when these are coming out, and they haven't been hyping it up like they will be releasing it at CT. Maybe that's when they will be releasing it. We shall wait and see. But again, no company is really boosting something new at this moment, right? At the moment of me recording this, Easter Day, there is no talk of anything new, all right? And again, based off the pricing of the original, the clipper was $249, the trimmer is $199. And we didn't even talk about the trimmer has 7,200 RPM, the dual battery, everything pretty much the same. I'm trying to see if they say how long each battery lasts, but I think each battery lasts like 90 minutes, 2 hours or something like that. They don't have it on here. It might have it in the booklet, which a lot of us say we don't read, so. But they do advertise it as unlimited runtime, which technically it is unlimited runtime if you are using it correctly. You got a battery in the charging dock. You got a battery in the clipper or trimmer. Once it's over, boom, swap it out. You're ready to go. Not a bad idea. If you like FX's, the FX clippers and trimmers, I think this is a great buy for you. I am a fan of the trimmer, so I will be keeping a trimmer on my station just for a little while because I have this power box, crazy good. I have my Babyliss trimmers and Stylecraft and all that. Anyway, that's the look into the SnapFX from Babyliss Pro, the Gold Edition. Don't know if it's a limited time. Don't know when it's dropping. So, but we shall see. And I'll keep you informed if anything changed before I drop this video, it'll be on the screen. And if you are wondering, yes, I will be at CT this year. I had a snafu last year where I really didn't make it. Not really didn't make it, I didn't make it. But I'll be there this year. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And we will be back with another video, review, tutorial very soon. Peace.